Ang ganda, grabe. Lawson na may Mount Fuji, Oshino Hakai Village. Kumukuha tayo ng water from Mount Fuji. Wow! Nandito na tayo sa Lake Yamanaka. Wow! Hi guys! Ohayo gozaimasu from Tokyo, Japan. This is Mami Kat and
Lola Serena.
And in today's video, we are joining a Mount Fuji day tour na binook namin sa Klook. So if you wanna see kung ano mga pupuntahan namin, then please keep on watching. Yeah, nag-book kami ng Uber taxi. Dito sa kabila. Ohayo gozaimasu.
My name is Cassie.
Nice to meet you. My name is Kathy and this is my mother, Sally.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Cassie, thank you very much. I'm going to Starbucks coffee.
Yes.
Okay.
Ayan, are you ready, Ma?
Ready. Ang lamig ngayon.
Oh, ang lamig ngayon, guys. It's currently 6:43 in the morning. Our tour will depart at 7:30 and it is 9 Celsius. Ayan. So, yung link ng day tour na binook namin sa Klook, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box below. So, ang pupuntahan natin ay ang Motosoku Resort. Then, Oshino Hakai, yung Lawson na may Mount Fuji sa likod. Tapos, meron pang isang lake na nakalimutan ko ang name. Ilalagay ko na lang dito. So, excited kami. At ang sabi ng weather forecast na visible daw siya ngayon. So, sana nga, no? Para makita namin ni Mama. Diba nakita na po natin si Mount Fuji from up above?
Up above at the plane.
Yes.
Yeah.
And sana magpakita din po siya ngayon,
Ulit.
ano?
Sana. Hoping.
Ang meet-up point namin ay sa Starbucks L Tower. Alright, see you pagdating namin doon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you. Okay. Alright. Kita nyo guys, napaka-friendly, no? Nandito na tayo sa meet-up point which is ang Starbucks. Dito sa may L Tower. Malapit lang siya sa Odakyu. At yan naman ang Lumine. Okay, so if you're gonna book this tour on Klook, then the meet-up point will be here. Dito mismo. So, nandito na ang tour guide natin. Siya ay kapareho ng color ni Mama na may hawak na flag. Saktong-sakto ang dating niya, 7:20. And we're leaving at 7:30. Kaya kapag may mga ganitong day tour kayong sinasalihan, kailangan on time kayo 10 minutes before. Okay. Papunta na tayo ngayon sa bus. Sinusundan lang natin si Ma'am. Yung may hawak ng flag na Tour Story Japan. Ayan, so tinuro na sa amin ang bus. May dalawa pa kasing kasama na inaantay. Yan ang bus natin. Bus number 12. Ayan nakasulat, Mount Fuji, Shiba, Zakura, Hanano, Tour Story.
Kaya wala kami ng upuan.
Yes, magkahiwalay kami ng upuan. Puno na kasi. Nag-start yung pick-up dun sa may Tokyo Station. And kami naman dito sa may Shinjuku. So, mayroon pang dalawang inaantay bago tayo umalis. So, make sure guys, if you're gonna join a day tour, to be early. At least 10 minutes before the departure time, dapat nandun na kayo sa meet-up point. Paalis na tayo guys! Yay! Exciting! Sana makita natin si Mount Fuji.
We have a few requests for the passengers. And number one, please fasten your seatbelts. And number two, please do not leave any trash on the bus. But you know, in Japan, there are few trash cans on the street. So I will let you know the place. You can throw your trash away. And number three, you may eat food. You may eat food on the bus, but please do not eat ice cream on the bus. A kind of soup thing. It's difficult to clean it up. And lastly, the most important thing is to keep on time. I mean, don't be late. Our meeting. Thank you for your cooperation. Let me give you an overview of today's itinerary. First, we are gonna visit Motosuko Resort. Today, you can see pink moss there and Mount Fuji. If it's clear, we can see Mount Fuji. And after that, we are going to stop by Lawson. Quick stop. It's a famous photo spot. You can see Lawson and Mount Fuji on the top. And next, we are going to Oshino Hakai Village. Oshino Hakai Village. It's an old Japanese village. UNESCO Heritage Site. Lastly, maybe today we are going to Yamanaka Lake or Fujisan Museum. Depends on the weather. If it's cloudy. I mean, we cannot see any Mount Fuji. Maybe we will go to the museum. If we can see Mount Fuji, I plan to go to Lake Yamanaka. From here, you can also beautiful Mount Fuji. So I will let you know later. To the first destination, Motosuko Resort, it takes about 2 hours. And also, we plan to stop by parking area one time. It's 1 hour later, so please relax. Please take your time. Chatting room. So I'm gonna share today's important information here. If you have any questions or something, please let me know. Please text me. Thank you so much.
So, baba muna tayo para mag-stretch ng ating mga paa. Dito tayo ngayon sa parking lot para sa restroom break. Ganda oh. Wow. Ito rin oh. Ganda oh.
Ganda.
Wow. So, nandito tayo sa CR ngayon. Ang laki. Ang laki ng toilet nila oh. Guys, ang cute ng doggy oh. Hello. Look at our bus. Maliit lang siya, oh. Compared to the other ones. Yan ang bus natin. So, nasa less than 20 bucks tayo. Umaandar na ulit tayo. Papunta na tayo sa resort. It will take more than 1 hour daw. Medyo mahaba-haba pa, no? Alis na tayo. Makita nyo? Clear na clear si Mount Fuji. Guys, ang swerte natin. We have a clear view of Mount Fuji. Ayan, so nandito na tayo sa Motosuko Resort at susunod na tayo sa ating tour guide na si Yiyi. So, siya daw ang bibili ng ticket natin and we will just follow her. And then later, after she gives us the tickets, we have enough time to explore this Motosuko Resort until 11:45. Ay, tignan niyo si Mount Fuji, ang ganda! Ayun na, oh, nakikita ko na yung pink carpet. Wow.
Please wait in line here. Could you wait?
Bigyan tayo ng brochure. Thank you. So guys, ito ang tawag sa festival na ito, Fuji Shibazakura Festival 2026. It started on April 11 and lasts until May 24. Papunta na tayo sa pink moss carpet. Wow! So beautiful!
Meron pang tubig.
Opo. If you happen to be here around April or May, I highly recommend you come here sa Shibazakura Festival because this only lasts less than 2 months. And this is also the largest Shibazakura Festival here in Japan. Though sa ngayon, hindi pa fully bloomed yung pink moss. At may mga flowers din dito. Ang ganda, may cherry blossoms and may yellow flowers. So nice. Tsaka mabango. Amoy niyo yun, ma? Bango po, no? Ay, oo, ang ganda, oh, guys. Ma, tignan niyo po yung likod niyo. Wow, ang ganda. Grabe. Super worth it pumunta dito, guys. I highly recommend this tour.
Hi! Ang ganda dito, sobrang ganda dito. Kita nyo naman. Tingnan yung
Yes.
mga flowers. Parang, yan? Parang
Pink moss, parang pink carpet.
Pink carpet. Wow, that's very nice.
Yes.
Okay pa ang weather.
Opo.
May araw. Swerte kami nga eh.
Ang sabi ng ating tour guide na si Ma'am Yiyi na sa isang taon, 30% chance lang na makita si Mount Fuji ng clear. Yung ganitong clear na clear, kaya sobrang swerte tayo.
Swerte tayo.
Kasi napabilang tayo dun sa 30% chance na yun.
Yeah.
And we are so thankful. Thank you, Papa God, for giving us this chance to witness Mount Fuji this clear, even with the pink carpet here at Fuji Motosuko Shibakasura Festival. So, ang tawag sa mga pink flowers na yan ay pink moss. They usually bloom from April to May. At sa resort na ito, guys, may mga picture spots na pang Instagram, ano? Ayan, katulad nito. Nakikita nyo yan, yung parang Mount Fuji shape. So, kapag in full bloom na yung mga flowers na yan, it will mimic Mount Fuji. Let me zoom you in. Ayan. So, pag in full bloom na ang mga pink moss na yan or ang moss flowers, it will mimic Mount Fuji. So, if you stand behind that, you can also see the real Mount Fuji. So, it's like you have two Mount Fujis in one picture. Tapos, yan, may parang bridge doon. Pwede rin kayo magpicture. Then, may mga food spots dyan where you can have local snacks. And, syempre, may restroom. And later, let's go there and explore what food they offer. So, ito na ang resort, guys.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. Cause I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh.
Guys, sobrang ganda dito. Ang ganda ng mga moss flowers. Then, ang ganda ng view. Ano po?
Resort.
Yes, this is a resort. And right now, dahil gutom na kami ni Mama, maghahanap tayo ng pagkain.
Hanap ka na ng pagkain din. Upo na tayo dyan.
Alright, so tingnan natin kung ano meron ditong food. Tsaka ito ang shop and gallery. Yan. They have chicken kebab. Ayan. May chicken kebab, beef tongue skewers, deer skewer, ranging from 800 yen to 1,500 yen. Over there, may Mount Fuji yakisoba. And dito naman, may ice cream. Yan, so iba't ibang klaseng ice cream na may strawberry, ranging from 1,100 yen to 1,300. Ay, hindi, may 1,900 pa pala sa baba. Then, meron din silang fries, iba't ibang klaseng fries. And then, dito naman, yung meron silang parang xiaolongbao. So, ito naman ang food nila dito. Mga grilled squid, tornado potato, Korean cheese dog, hashimaki. Ayan ang tornado potato. And then over here, may unagi skewer. Yan, so eel. May grilled corn. And may katsudon at soft ice cream. Then over here, ang cute ng mga dogo. And over here, they have beef tongue and potato. And American hot dog. Ayan, so ranging from 1,000 to 1,800 yen. Tapos pwede kayong umupo dito. And then habang kumakain kayo, ang ganda ng view nyo. Wow! At nandito si Mount Fuji. Kung gusto nyo mag-order, dito yun. And cashless payment. Tapos may cash only. Dito na lang tayo sa cashless payment. So, kuha tayo ng isang beef short rib skewer. And isang stir-fried noodles. Ayan, so 1,200 to 800 yen. Total of 2,000 yen. Okay. And now, let's pay through credit card. So, ito na ang order natin.
Antay na lang tayo dyan.
So ito na ang ating Mount Fuji yakisoba at ang beef short rib skewers. At inaantay natin ang chicken kebab kasi nag-order pa ako. Baka kulangin sa amin ni mama to eh. Thank you. Ayan na. Ooh. Dito na tayo kumain guys kasi kita si Mount Fuji. Ang ganda. Okay, kain na tayo. Ito ang beef short rib skewers. Tikman na natin.
Sarap.
Sarap, malambot po ano? Si mama hindi na nakatiis eh. Kumain na. Sarap siya. Ayun. Buksan natin ang Mount Fuji yakisoba.
Yan ba yan?
Kasi nandyan po si Mount Fuji, kaya Mount Fuji yakisoba. Ayan, kain tayo. Ang hack ni Mama, nagdala siya ng sarili niyang tinidor. Galing pang Pilipinas yan.
Ang hirap kasi kumain ng ano, naka-chopstick.
Na naka-chopsticks. Ito okay lang. Medyo dry yung noodles niya.
Yan pala inumin, no?
Anong gusto niyo po?
Coke. Natanong ko.
Dry yung noodles?
Oo nga.
Ito, okay to sa akin. Ito, hindi.
Sarap yan.
Tingnan niyo ang view natin guys habang kumakain. Ganda. Ayan oh. Ganda, di ba? Look at this chicken kebab. Looks good. So ngayon naman, tikman natin ang shawarma. Konti lang ang tulog ko guys ngayon. Sa dalawang araw. 2 oras.
Akala ko 30 minutes.
Hindi naman po. Mga kulang-kulang 2 oras. Nag-start na ako mag-pack kagabi para mamaya konti na lang ang ipapack. At saka para malaman ko kung makakabili pa tayo ng additional items or hindi. May shoutout si Mama.
Hello to the family in the Philippines. Yung Nabalta compound.
Hello to the whole Nabalta family.
Tapos, happy birthday, Ate Glory.
Happy birthday po, Ate
sa Canada. Regards sa inyo lahat dyan. The whole family, Lumokso family, Revilla family. Sa Maui naman, Lagat family, Nida Nabalta, Marlon and family. Kayo Divino sa Kauai. Tapos yung okay. Love you all. Kain muna tayo. Iniwan ako ni Kati. Kumakain mag-isa. Hindi ba? In front naman ng Mount Fuji. Umalis si Kati kasi nagpabili ako soft drinks. Nauuhaw na ako eh. Tapos, ang sarap ng pagkain dito. Ang ganda ng lugar. Kaya lang, unpredictable ang weather. Minsan ang lamig-lamig, minsan mainit, minsan ang lakas ng ulan, ang lakas ng hangin. Tapos biglang aambon. Maganda dito sa Japan dahil ang katotohanan yan, very disciplined yung mga tao dito. Babait nila, very helpful din. Tapos si Kati Kawawa, thank you Kati kasi Kawawa palaging alalay, siyempre, yan na, Kati, nakabili na ng Coke.
Anong sinasabi ng aking beautiful mother sa inyo?
Walang Coke?
Meron po, pero wala po kasi sa atin itong kumuha ko nitong Fanta na grape flavor para matikman ni Mama. Kasi ang Coke po, marami sa atin yan. So, tapos na kaming kumain guys. Hindi na tayo pupunta sa shop and gallery kasi it's already 11:25. So, let's take this time to take some more video clips so I can show you how beautiful it is here. At makapag-picture din kami ni Mother. Ganda oh.
Babalik kami bukas dito. Mga in 1 month, babalik kami dito.
Ay wow, talaga po.
Dito lang tayo pupunta kasi ang ganda.
As we were driving, I watched the sunset fade inside your eyes. I started wishing right then and there that I could just stop time. It's silly, but you know me. Nostalgia runs right through my veins, and slowly the memories flooded with sadness unexplained. I tell you the truth, forever just won't do. There can't be enough life when it comes to loving you. I try and I try my best not to cry. I'm scared that we'll blink and end up running out of time. I tell you the truth, forever just won't do.
So maybe people can feel very Japan. Convenience store and Mount Fuji. So that's why maybe
Yeah, maybe. Tinanggal ko na guys yung sweater kasi ang init na. Alam niyo guys ngayon, very unpredictable ang weather dito sa Japan. Kaninang umaga, it was around 9 Celsius. Tapos nung naghapon na, ngayon 17 Celsius na.
Lawson, so many people.
Oh!
Yeah, today, always, almost.
Nang sikat na Lawson with Mount Fuji at the back.
Not weekend, but so many people. About 10 minutes. 10 minutes for photo time. Back to the bus by 12:30. 12:30.
Okay. Ayan, so ito ang sikat na Lawson na may Mount Fuji sa background. Pero hindi natin makita. Wait, let's go to a spot where I can show you. Ayun, perfect spot guys. Ayan. So yan ang Lawson with the Mount Fuji at the back of it. So the only reason why this Lawson is famous is because of the beautiful view of Mount Fuji. And we are very lucky today because we have a clear view of Mount Fuji. Guys, ang bait ng tour guide natin, si Ma'am Yiyi, kasi nakita niyang nagsastruggle kami sa pagpipicture. So, she offered to take a picture of us. Thank you so much. And insert ko na lang dito ang aming pictures. Yay! May picture na tayo dito sa famous Lawson ng Mount Fuji. Nandito na ulit tayo sa bus. At tapos na tayo dito sa may Mount Fuji na Lawson stop. Ngayon naman, pupunta tayo sa Oshino-Hakai Village, which is famous for the 8 ponds. At yung mga ponds na yun, yung kanilang tubig ay nanggaling sa melted snow ng Mount Fuji. It'll take us 20 minutes to get there. And since it's already 12:33, we'll be having our lunch there. So, tignan natin kung anong mga food ang available doon. And of course, magpe-picture and video taking ulit tayo so that I can show you the beautiful village of Oshino-Hakai.
So Oshino-Hakai village is a traditional Japanese village that established in 1875 with just only 9,600 people. The main attraction is the crystal clear blue pond. There are 8 ponds. And also you can see koi fish, so many koi fish inside the pond. And also there is a place you can get water for free. The water is coming from Mount Fuji. It's natural water. So if you have empty bottles, you can get home. And also they are selling a bottle, an empty bottle, 200 yen, so you can fill
Put
the
water.
Yeah.
Yan ang Mount Fuji guys. Nandito na tayo sa stop for Oshino-Hakai. And sabi ng ating tour guide na it will take 5 minutes to walk.
Watch your step.
Watch your steps, ma. Up. 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 Nakikita ko ng mga cherry blossom trees. Ang gaganda. You know, yung mga cherry blossom trees, mamaya dadaan tayo dyan. Wow! Ang ganda guys. Ang dami pang cherry blossom trees. Ang dami pa pong cherry blossom trees, oh. Full bloom. Ang ganda.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof.
So guys, nandito na tayo sa village ng Oshino-Hakai. Tignan nyo, ang gaganda ng mga cherry blossom trees. And ito na yung mga ponds. Tapos banda doon ang street food area.
If you go that way, that's a food street. If you go that way, there's a huge souvenir shop and photo point. Also, the place you can get photo. See you later.
How long again? 1 hour? Or?
1 hour. Please come back to the bus by 2 o'clock.
Okay, 2 p.m. tayo babalik. It's 1:03 ngayon. Alright, thank you. See you later. Yan, ito guys ang Mount Fuji dito sa Oshino-Hakai Village. Ang gaganda ng mga flowers ngayon. Then, may sakura doon sa dinaanan natin kanina. So, ito yung sinasabi ni Ma'am Yiyi, ang ating tour guide. Ito daw ay water na nanggaling from the melted snow of Mount Fuji. Kaya sobrang clear, oh. Tapos nakikita nyo, ayan, oh, may fish, ma. Kita nyo?
Yeah, ayan, laki yun.
Nag-iisa siya. Sadly, ang dami nagtatapon ng coins here. Akala siguro nila na pwede mag-wish dito. Pero yan, nakasulat dyan. Please do not throw coins to the pond. So please don't throw any coins here in the pond. Let's keep this pond safe. Kasi baka masira lang siya because of the metal. So, syempre, magre-rust tong metal sa water. So, mawawala yung quality ng tubig niya, di ba? So, better not to throw. Sumunod na lang tayo sa patakaran nila. And this is the main pond, which is called Wakuike. Gustong kumuha ni Mama ng water sa may, alam ko may faucet dito or stream na pwede kang kumuha ng water. And it's for free, guys. As long as you have your own empty bottle, you can refill it with the water from Mount Fuji. And if you don't have an empty bottle, you can purchase one here for 200 yen para malagyan nyo ng tubig from Mount Fuji. Gustong kumuha ni Mama ng water from that fountain. So, we have to pass through here kasi naka-close ang bridge dyan. Dati naka-open yan. Ito ang souvenir shop area. You can also sit down here and buy your food and eat it here. Pero ngayon, mukhang wala tayong pag-asa sa pagkuha ng upuan dahil napakadaming tao ngayon. So, ito yung bilihan ng mga souvenirs, food items, at ito yung recommend ng ating tour guide kanina, itong fish cake shop. So, bili tayo mamaya dyan. Hello! My mother wants to get the water. Yeah, it's here, right? Okay. Pupunta na tayo sa kuhanan ng tubig. Ang dami din ng mga benta dito. Like wasabi, 700, 420. They also have seaweed, 1,550, 1,770. And they have this, like grapes. Kyoho grapes ball jelly, 1,080. Dried fish, 1,400. Dried scallops, 1,700. Soft squid. And squid again. Strawberry goods. Ang dami, guys, ang daming tao. Kung gusto niyo makita kung ano pa mga ibang mga souvenirs dito, balikan niyo na lang ang vlog ko from last year. And then here you can taste different kinds of, hindi ko alam kung ano to, basta pwede kayong tumikim dyan. So kung gusto niyong kumuha ng water from the Mount Fuji stream, you can get from here. So you can purchase a bottle for 200 yen and then you can refill it here. This water comes from Mount Fuji. Yeah, there. Yan, so kumukuha tayo ng water from Mount Fuji, Philippines. Yes, how about you? Oh, I see. So you're from Japan. I see. I love Japan. Yes, I'm enjoying very much. Okay, you too. So, nakakuha na tayo ng water at babayaran po natin ngayon dun sa may cashier. So, bayad na tayo. Yan, dito guys, pwede rin kayong mag-refill ng water. Kung ayaw nyo dun, pwede rin dito. Pero mas mahaba ang pila dito guys compared dun. Diba? Siguro kasi mas maganda ang view dito. And look, wow! Guys, tignan nyo, sobrang clear. Mama, ang ganda po, di ba? Wow! And then may mga malalaking koi fish.
The water.
I forgot how deep this is, but I'll just put it on the screen. And sadly, may mga coins pa rin. So guys, wag kayo magtatapon ng coins dito ha, bawal. Ang lalaki ng mga fish. Ayun na yung malaki, oh. Yun, oh. Oh. So, meron pa mga beans dito. Iba't ibang klaseng beans, dried fruits, wasabi, and rice crackers. May mga food souvenirs na ganyan, 810. May ice cream. Gusto niyo yung ice cream, ma? Okay. Alright, so bili tayo ng ice cream. Tsaka bili din po ako ng fish cake doon. Ito po yung sabi ni ma'am na okay eh. So ito guys, bilihan ng ice cream. So merong shine muscat, peach, vanilla, matcha, strawberry, and ramen soda. Then over there naman ang bilihan ng fish cake. Yan. Ma, ano pong gusto nyo? Matcha? Okay. So 500 yen ang isa. No, one matcha. Arigatou gozaimasu. And here we have the matcha, guys. Yum, yum, yum. Pwede po ako muna? Okay. Yummy. Sige pa. Ang sarap po. At saka, mainit po ngayon eh. Well, hindi naman kasing init ang Pinas, pero mainit dahil lakad tayo ng lakad. Si mama naman ang susubok. You like it po?
Sarap. Ang sarap. Ang sarap.
How do you like Oshino
Very nice village. And what do you call that? Old village, yeah?
Opo,
Yeah.
kasama siya sa World Heritage.
World Heritage, yeah. Ng
Pero
Japan.
it's very crowded right now.
Yeah, there's a lot of tourista here, different people.
So, labas naman tayo.
Yeah.
And mamaya, bibili tayo dito ng fish cake. Ayan, so mga fish cake dito, may ginger lotus, fruit ginger, 320, may squid, potato and butter, 350, clam shrimp and Japanese onion, 400. Yan, bili tayo dyan mamaya. Bumili ako ng fish cake na may shrimp, scallops, and I think may crabs and green onions dun sa may recommend ng ating tour guide. Tikman na natin. 400 yen to. Ang laki oh. Sarap. Kung mahilig ka sa fish cake, magugustuhan mo to. Yan oh. Buo-buo pa yung mga shrimp. At saka scallops. Tikman nyo, ma. Sarap po, diba? Fish cake. Ha? So, kung nandito kayo sa Oshinohakai, try nito guys, masarap. Marami pang klase doon. In fairness, hindi sila nagtipid sa shrimp. Marami na ako nakaing shrimp at marami pa dito. So, it is currently 1:44 in the afternoon at 19 Celsius, kaya hindi masyado malamig. At ngayon, pabalik na tayo sa ating tour bus kasi ang meetup time is 2 p.m. para hindi natin kailangan magmadali at para hindi rin mahirapan si mama. Let's go! Yan, maraming mga food dito like salt grilled Yamame trout, 1,000 yen. Then they have this. Ang alam ko, Pinoy din yung isa sa mga staff dito eh. Napanood ko sa vlog. If you want to have your lunch, you can have your lunch here. Pero maraming tao, kaya nag-ano na lang kami. Fish cake and matcha ice cream. This is the wakuike pond. Ang sabi dito, this pond represents as a typical pond scene of Oshinohakai Springs. Its amount of spring water is abundant, which is gushing out from the underwater tunnel made of diatomite. In 1983, the water from this pond was carried by the NASA Space Shuttle Challenger and it was used for an experiment. Wow, guys, so ginamit pala to ng NASA para sa experiment to make snow in the space environment. Galing. There's a folklore saying that the spring water started to gush out by the power of Konahanasakuya Hime. Cool. Tapos dun sa taas, may view deck. Maganda rin mag-picture doon pero hindi na tayo pupunta doon. And may museum din dyan. So ngayon, kung paano tayo pumunta dito kanina, that's the same way to go back to the tour bus. So dadaan ulit tayo dyan sa mga cherry blossom trees. balik na tayo sa ating tour bus. Ayan. And ito si Mount Fuji. So, ang ating next stop ay ang Lake Yamanaka. It is the largest and closest of the Fuji 5 lakes to Mount Fuji, located in Yamanashi Prefecture. It offers stunning close-up views of Mount Fuji at may mga water sports and camping din daw doon. At kung swerte daw tayo, baka makakita tayo ng swan. Can you imagine kung makapag-picture tayo ng swan with Mount Fuji as the backdrop? That would be perfect, no? And sabi din ng ating tour guide, it is one of the most beautiful spots to see Mount Fuji at konti lang ang tao. Sana makakita tayo ng swan doon, no?
Here is Lake Yamanaka. Now we are going to the against point. Mount Fuji is there. So now we are going to Power Point.
Yun yung Mount Fuji. At doon tayo sa pinakamalayo para ang backdrop daw ay ang Mount Fuji.
There are 5 lakes around Mount Fuji. Lake Yamanaka, Shoji, Saiko, Lake Kawaguchi, and Motosu. And they are called Fuji 5 lakes. Here is the most biggest lake in Fuji 5 lakes.
Wow, ang ganda ng Mount Fuji from here. Alright guys, so nandito na tayo sa Lake Yamanaka and it is one of the most beautiful and hidden spots. It is not too crowded here kaya maganda mag-picture dito. Ang ganda, ang dami pang mga cherry blossoms. Very nice. Ang ganda, sobra. So this is Lake Yamanaka. This is the largest lake. And it is also the closest lake to Mount Fuji. Ganda! Wow! Guys, may swan, oh. Yung swan. Nakakita tayo ng swan. Aww.
It's from 2.5 meter. 100 inch over. Very big.
Wow.
This one name is James. Ring serial number 007. Yep.
007?
007.
Oh, James Bond.
James Bond.
James Bond.
The evergreen.
Okay, one another one. Evergreen.
The 9 years old, 6 years old.
Oh, so he is, James Bond is 9 years old, and Eva Gray over there is 6 years old.
This is no Chinese, no Japanese, all English understand.
Only English, all right. Only English. What about the duck? Good, we have the same language. Hi, James. We have lots of food, huh? 007 of Lake Yamanaka.
License to kill.
Yan, magpapakain si Mama. Papakainin na si James Bond.
James, your girlfriend, come here.
Come here, James Bond. It's food again.
Come here.
Si Sir, binigyan na tayo ng swan food para pakainin si James Bond.
I think I have more photos of the swan than myself.
He's the star of the show. James, here you go. Whoop. Yan, so siya si James Bond. 007 kasi yung number niya.
Yeah.
Is it okay? Yeah, this is Ma'am Louie. She's our tour guide. Yes, and she made our tour very fun and she gave us a lot of information about all the places that we visited. Yeah, thank you very much, Ma'am Louie. Right?
Yes, yes.
Yes. And guys, mahilig siya sa art. You love art, right?
Yes, yes.
You're a graduate
Very
of
much.
art?
Yes.
And she loves coffee.
Yes.
You love cafe hopping. Yeah. What is the best cafe in Tokyo that you can recommend?
It's Bongen Coffee. It's in Nihonbashi area.
Nihonbashi.
Yeah, it's a very unique. Matcha and espresso mixed.
Oh, so matcha and coffee mix.
Yes.
Does it taste good?
Good, tastes good.
All right.
Yeah, yeah.
Too sad that
From
I'm
my
going
taste.
home tomorrow. We're already going home tomorrow.
Oh,
so
I see.
I will
See
try
you.
it next time.
yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I hope to see you soon again next
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
Bye! Join kayo sa tour na to, guys. It's very worth it. Kung nandito kayo hanggang May, until when is the Shiba Kazura? Or how do you call that?
Shiba Zakura,
Shiba Sakura
Shiba Sakura.
Festival. Until when is it?
May.
So if you're here, then try to join. So guys, ito ang girlfriend ni James Band. Naglilimlim siya. Natutulog siya, oh. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Ay sus, bilang nagising. Ganda po dito, ma, no?
Kitang-kita yung ano. Kitang-kita yung Mount Fuji.
Yes, kasi ito pong Lake Yamanaka, it is the largest of the 5 Fuji lakes.
Oh.
Yes. So siya po yung pinakamalapit kay Mount Fuji, kaya kitang-kita si Mount Fuji dito. Itong Lake Yamanaka, may nakatirang 50 swans dito. So, isa na si James Bond na nakita natin kanina. So, we are really lucky today kasi ang ganda ng view ng Mount Fuji. Walang kaulap-ulap, very clear, perfect weather. And nakakita rin tayo ng swan. Nakapunta tayo sa Oshinohakai, yung Lawson na may Mount Fuji sa background. Grabe, no? Ang swerte-swerte natin. And I'm happy na na-share ko lahat ng ito sa inyo, itong mga magagandang views. If you happen to be in Japan or if you are planning to visit Japan, don't skip to go to Mount Fuji because it is really a very beautiful view. Though may 30% chance lang na makita ang Mount Fuji na clear visibility, no? Kung mapabilang kayo dun, that's great. So you will never know if you never try. Kaya visit yun na ang Mount Fuji. And if you happen to be here during April or May, try to visit the Shiba Sakura Festival because it is worth it. Kakaiba ang view ng Mount Fuji dun kasi may pink carpet, so it's very unique and it only happens like for a month in a year, kaya maganda talaga siyang puntahan. And Mama, I just want to say that I'm so happy na nagawa ko po itong Japan trip with you at nakapunta tayo ng Mount Fuji at nakita natin siya first time sa airplane and second time today.
Clear, walang clouds, kitang-kita.
Opo.
Swerte natin kasi bibihira lang yan ng walang clouds. Hindi siya nakatakip. Pero ganyan clear na clear.
Thank you, Papa God.
Thank you, Papa God. And thank you,
Yes.
Kati. Mwah.
I love you, Mama.
Love you.
Sana maulit natin to.
Sana.
So, guys, if you are waiting for a sign to travel with your parents, now is the sign. Travel with your parents while you still can and while they still can.
Yeah.
Habang na-enjoy niyo pa at na-enjoy ng parent niyo, go, travel lang kayo. Diba? Kahit sa Pilipinas lang, kahit sa malapit lang. Basta go out with your parents, spend time with them, bond with them.
Because you don't know when they go.
Yes, because you'll never know. Sa isang iglap, pwedeng magbago ang buhay. Pwedeng,
Wala na.
maraming pwedeng mangyari. So, don't wait for it. Make the most out of the time you have left with them.
Yeah.
Yes. Love you, Mama.
Love you, Mama. Thank you, thank you.
So, guys, may 5 eggs siya dyan sa ilalim. Kaya nandyan siya kasi naglilimlim po, ano?
Lilim-lim siya.
Then, si James Bond daw, pumunta daw doon sa malayo at nakipag-away. Good luck sa 5 anak mo. Bye-bye.
Manok namin.
Ayan, so kararating lang namin dito sa Hotel Gracery Shinjuku. And tapos na ang ating Mount Fuji day tour na inavail natin sa Klook. At ngayon, tanongin naman natin si Mama.
The tour we have is very, very good, you know. Ang ganda ng Mount Fuji. Walang talagang clouds na nakapaligid. Talagang kitang-kita mo. Ang ganda, sobrang ganda.
Yes.
Tapos yung mga flowers, yung bed of flowers, wow, so nice. One of a kind talaga. Doon sa river, di ba? Nandun yung Swan, Lake Kamanaka. Kitang-kita mo yung Mount Fuji. Tapos meron, doon, may Swan. Ang pangalan niya si
James Bond.
James Bond. Meron silang itlog na 5. Tapos naglilimlim yung asawa ni
James Bond.
Anyway, kinuha ni Kati yung tour na yun kasi gusto niya makita ko yung Mount Fuji at saka yung mga flowers. So, thank you very much, Kati.
You're welcome, Mama.
I'm so happy. Okay.
Yes. Ayan, so ano pong masasabi na sa tour guide? Ako, I find her very, very friendly.
She's very, very friendly. She's sweet.
Yes, and very informative. Marami siyang
yeah.
binibigay na information tungkol sa mga places na pinuntahan namin. And she is also very kind to offer us help in taking pictures. Yan. So, kaya may mga pictures kami ni Mama na maganda na kuha niya. Opo. So, if you also want to avail this tour, you can check out the link in the description box. Ilalagay ko doon para hindi na kayo mahirapan maghanap. So, for your information guys, ang Shiba Kazura Festival is only available from April to May. So, every year nag-iiba ng dates yan. Depende sa kung kailan magbo-bloom ang pink moss, no? Yung parang pink carpet na nakita natin. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa pagsama sa amin sa video na ito. I hope you enjoyed all the beautiful views that I showed you. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope na nakatulong ang video na ito sa inyo. If it did, please don't forget to thumbs up. Leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. This is your Mami Kat and
Lola Celerina.
And we're now signing off to our next one. Bye guys! Mwah! Pupunta tayo sa Ueno Park. After that, magpo-food trip and maybe some shopping sa Amiyoko Street. Ito na yung sasakyan natin. Yan. Malaki ang branch. Nandito na ang Gyukatsu. Kung naghahanap kayo ng mga second-hand na bag, dito yun guys. Perla, Michael Kors, Coach. Nandito na tayo sa may dulo ng Amiyoko Street at pupunta tayo sa GU.